Buttermilk pie doesn't taste like buttermilk because the other ingredients balance out its tangy flavor. Add the eggs to a bowl and whisk the eggs until frothy. Add the sugar and flour, then whisk until well combined. Scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl to make sure everything is well combined. Gradually beat in the melted and cooled butter. Add the buttermilk, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. Then beat for an additional minute. Pour the prepared filling into an unbaked 9-inch pie crust. How to make lemon buttermilk pie.